Johnson. I would like to check the availability of Dr. Mary. Yeah, Mary members of DAS. Very warm welcome. I would like to unmute Dr. Mary Johnson, ma'am, for I think you can unmute from your side. Very warm welcome to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining. And first of all, I would like to congratulate Dr. Mary Johnson, ma'am, for being inducted in our FRAEL membership, and especially ma'am has been associated with Eudoxia and also being a global leader in academics and also in research and innovation. And her ma'am's work in over the decades has been an exemplary to the motivation for the students as well as the co-workers and and has a remarkable impact on the society itself. So I would like to have one message from Dr. Mary Johnson, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining and congratulations being inducted into the FRAEL membership. Your academic journey, we would like to know your hurdles. We would like to know how you have overcome it regarding this academics and research in many decades that you have been. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, sir, and the entire team. I thank Lord Jesus Christ, who has been my support since childhood. And I'm so grateful to Eudoxia Research University for this award given to me. And this is a recognition, it's not just a testament of my own work alone, but also a tribute to my teachers who have been such a great support to me. If I am today what I am in this position, it's because of the tremendous contribution from my teachers. Of course, my family members, my friends, and the entire research community, particularly the Eudoxia family. I congratulate all the other winners as well. And I'm reminded of the power of collaboration, sir, and the boundless potential of collective endeavor. And I'm particularly thankful to CMC, Velu, my alma mater. Actually, I studied BSc, MSc, all my education has been from here, and CMC is such a support to me. And I really thank all of them. Of course, I do have friends in US and Saudi as well. I tremendously thank them. And I really deem it a privilege and honor to be part of the Eudoxia family due to the unwavering support and constant encouragement I received from this family. Eudoxia is inspiring so many. I'm just seeing, witnessing, and especially you're concentrating on the future generation as well. And I salute this university, and I will certainly encourage all the members and I will enlighten what Eudoxia means to me and how it will mean to everyone else around me. Thank you so much for this opportunity and particularly for this reward.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am, for such an excellent remark. And yes, ma'am is the professor and the head of pediatric nursing department in College of Nursing, CMC Vellore, India. India. And ma'am has been an inspirational, instrumental in terms of academic and research, because involves, especially the healthcare sector, involves passion and as well as the dedication. And you're a prime example, ma'am. Thank you so much. And now I would like to request our technical team to first go for the FRAEL membership. Now, of course, ma'am has been inducted in our FRAEL membership, and of course in our research society, especially focusing on healthcare, especially focusing on research in nursing, in healthcare, in science. Ma'am will be in our leading positions for our senates as well, for the development of the research workshops as well as in India as well as in worldwide. So congratulations being inducted in the FRAEL membership. Finally, I would like to have a request our technical team to now because ma'am has been an outstanding researcher. So in 2025, the first our FRAEL award for Best Researcher Award 2025. This goes to Dr. Mary Anbarsi Johnson, ma'am, from CMC Vellore, India. Congratulations to you, ma'am. And now, of course, the responsibility will be more, since you will be also featuring in our Bharat TV to promote the nursing to the remotest of the worlds of areas, to promote the research and innovation, especially in research and in medical sciences and healthcare sector. So congratulations. We look forward to work with you, and we look forward for your influence, your motivation to our young scholars. Thank you so much, ma'am. Final word from your side regarding the future message for the future generation.
Once again, I would like to say that journey has not been without challenges. we do face as human beings, all of us do face a lot of moments of doubts and uncertainty. But I don't know, personally, I derive my strength from Lord Jesus Christ. And I do share that with everybody, either my students or staff. And as I feel now, after receiving the reward, that it's not only recognition of past achievement, but also a call to action. As researchers, we have a responsibility to harness our knowledge and expertise to address most pressing challenges facing our world today. And we live in a time of unprecedented complexity where we can go beyond boundaries, across the disciplines, and we can mentor so many people, especially concentrating on the future generation who will be the leaders of tomorrow. So my mind is more for mentoring the future generation who will be the leaders for tomorrow. Once again, my heartfelt thanks to Eudoxia. I'm so grateful to the entire Eudoxia family. God bless all of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you so much for this wonderful message for the youngsters. And as we celebrate the academic and the research journey of yours, so we have big congratulations to you. Now we'll move forward to